It's one of the most powerful agencies in the world. It tracks criminals, thwarts terror plots, and takes down the most wanted fugitives. But how does the FBI actually work, and what makes it so effective? Let's break it down. The Federal Bureau of Investigation, or the FBI, is the top investigative agency in the US. It's part of the Department of Justice and also a key player in national security. Unlike a national police force, the FBI doesn't patrol streets or handle local crimes. Instead, it investigates violations of federal law, things like terrorism, cybercrime, organized crime, and corruption. It also works closely with local international law enforcement, sharing intelligence and expertise. With thousands of cases each year, the FBI is central to America's fight against crime. Every FBI investigation starts with highly trained agents and analysts. They gather intelligence, analyze threats, and use cutting edge technology to track criminals. The process often involves forensic science, cyber tools, and surveillance. For high risk situations, the FBI has elite teams like SWAT, crisis negotiators, and even a hostage rescue team. These specialized units handle dangerous missions, from arresting violent offenders to rescuing hostages. The FBI's headquarters is in Washington, D.C., inside the J. Edgar Hoover building, but the agency operates nationwide, with over 50 field offices in major cities and 350 smaller resident agencies. Internationally, the FBI has offices in more than 60 countries. This helps the FBI coordinate investigations involving global threats like terrorism and drug trafficking. The FBI has one of the broadest investigative scopes of any law enforcement agency. It focuses on terrorism, stopping both domestic and international threats, cybercrime, investigating hackers and online fraud, organized crime, tracking down mafia groups and cartel networks, public corruption, exposing government fraud and bribery, civil rights violations, protecting against hate crimes and police misconduct, and violent crime, pursuing serial killers, kidnappers, and major fugitives. Most investigations involve multiple agencies working together through specialized task forces. The FBI is led by a director appointed by the US President and confirmed by the Senate. The director serves a 10-year term to ensure independence from political influence. The United States Senate has recently confirmed Indian origin American Kash Patel as the new director of the FBI. US President Donald Trump on Thursday officially signed the commission to confirm Indian origin Kash Patel as the ninth director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation. Kash Patel was confirmed to be the director of the FBI following a close vote in the US Senate with 51 votes in his favor and 49 votes against him. The FBI was founded in 1908 under the Department of Justice. Originally called the Bureau of Investigation, it was reconstructed in 1924 under J. Edgar Hoover. Hoover expanded the agency's power, modernized crime fighting techniques, and led it for nearly 50 years. Key moments in FBI history include 1932 launched the first national fugitive list, 1935 officially renamed the FBI, 1970s to present expanded focus to cybercrime and counterterrorism. The FBI remains America's top law enforcement agency, tackling everything from violent crime to national security threats. With advanced technology, elite training, and global operations, the FBI plays a critical role in keeping the country safe.